Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now in the last video I started linear equations in one variable. I explained what is a linear equation in one variable and we also solved some simple linear equations in one variable. So I hope you understood the concept and how to solve some simple linear equations in one variable. Now in today's video we will solve few more questions on linear equations in one variable. So let's start the video. Now here is the first question. 3 into x minus 1 equal to 2x minus 11. Now first we have to open the bracket. Distributive property we have to use. 3 into x minus 3 into 1. So open the bracket. So 3x minus 3 into 1 is 3 and RHS, write the RHS as it is. Now we have x term here and we have x term here. So combine the like terms. Now 3x we have on LHS. This 2x we will bring it here. Now जब term को interchange करते हैं, sign has to be changed. Now this 2x is coming from RHS to LHS. Now here it is plus 2x. When it comes here, it will be minus 2x equal to. In RHS we have minus 11 and this minus 3 we will shift here. So it becomes plus 3. So don't forget to change the sign of the term when it changes the sides. Okay. Now 3x minus 2x is x equal to minus 11 plus 3 is minus 8. So x equal to minus 8 is the solution of this linear equation. So we can easily solve this kind of linear equations by combining the like terms, that is variables on one side and all the constants, that is numbers on one side, and transposing the term. Just take care when a term is shifted from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS, we have to change the sign of that particular term. Now next question, 8 into 2x minus 5 minus 6 into 3x minus 7 equal to 1. Again open the bracket. 8 into 2x 16x minus 8 into 5 40 minus 6 into 3x 18x. Now this minus will become plus. 6 into 7 42 equal to 1. So when you are opening the bracket, take care of the sign. Minus minus, so this term will be plus. Now combine the like terms, all the x terms. So 16x minus 18x. So 16 minus 18 is minus 2. So minus 2x. Again we have minus 40 plus 42. So 42 minus 40 is 2. And in RHS, write the 1 as it is. So LHS may, whatever we have like terms, we have to combine. 16x minus 18x is minus 2x. Minus 40 plus 42 is 2 equal to 1. Now this minus 2x will remain as it is equal to 1. And this plus 2 we will shift to this side. So it becomes minus 2. So we have minus 2x equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. So this implies, now both sides we have minus sign, it will get cancelled. So it will be positive. Now x will be 1. 2x means 2 into x. So 2 when it comes this side, it will get divided. Multiplication hai. Whenever we have, suppose ax equal to b, from here x will be b. A into means when this a is shifted here, it will be upon a, b upon a. Multiplication becomes division. So 1 upon 2. So x equal to half is the solution of this linear equation, and you can always check the answer by substituting this value of x in this equation. If LHS equal to RHS, then your answer is right. Third question, x by 2 minus 1 equal to x by 3 plus 4. Now best way to solve such equation when you have denominator is get rid of the denominator. Here we have 2 and 3 in the denominators. To eliminate these denominators, find the LCM of these denominators. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 2 into 3, which is 6. Next step, multiply this given equation by 6 throughout. So multiplying, just write multiplying the equation by 6. Now multiplying the equation means we have to multiply each and every term of the equation by 6. Now 6 into x by 2. So 6 into First term is 6 into x by 2, so this will get eliminated. 6 और 2 cancel हो जाएगा. 6 by 2 is 3, so it is 3x. So first term will be 3x minus 6 into 1 6. Again 6 into x by 3. You don't have to show this step, just 6 by 3 2, so the term is 2x. So just write the term because we are multiplying by the LCM. So obviously denominator will get cancelled. Plus 6 into 4, 24. Okay, so what we did, find the LCM of all the denominators, that is denominators in LHS and in RHS. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Multiply each and every term of this equation by 6. So when we are multiplying by the LCM, denominators will get eliminated. 6 into x by 2, so 6 by 2 is 3, so this will be 3x minus 6 into 1 6. 6 into x by 3 is simply 2x plus 6 into 4, 24. Now combine the like terms, so 3x, this 2x comes here, minus 2x equal to RHS 24, and this minus 6 comes here, it becomes plus 6. 3x minus 2x is simply x, 24 plus 6 is 30. So x equal to 30 is the solution of this linear equation. So whenever you have denominator, always solve the linear equation by getting rid of the denominator. And to eliminate the denominator, find the LCM of the denominator and multiply the given equation by that LCM. If you don't want to do this by LCM method, you can also combine the like terms directly. Like x by 2 we have here, and this x by 3 comes here. So x by 2 minus x by 3, x by 2 minus x by 3 equal to RHS we have 4, and this minus 1 shifts to RHS. So it will be 4 plus 1. Now we have to solve this. This can be solved easily by cross multiplication. So 3x minus 2x upon 3 into 2, 6 equal to 4 plus 1, 5. 3x minus 2x is x equal to, now 6 is here, so 5. This 6 will go here, so 5 into 6. So x equal to 30. So we can also solve this by this method. Directly combine the like terms. So cross multiply, 3x minus 2x upon 6 equal to 5. 3x minus 2x is x, and 6 यहाँ पे ऊपर चला जाएगा multiplication. So 5 into 6. So x equal to 30. Okay. Now next, let's move on to the next question. Next question. 12 upon 7 into x minus 5 equal to 24 plus 8x. Now we have 7 in the denominator. So what we will do, multiply both sides by 7. Okay. So this side, if we multiply by 7, the 7 will get cancelled. So we simply have 12 into x minus 5. This is entire term. So we are multiplying this entire term by 7. So it will be just 12 into x minus 5 equal to, now 7 into 24, so which is 168, plus 7 into 8x, so 56x. So we have to multiply each and every term of this equation by 7. So 12 into x minus 5, 7 into 24, 168, and 7 8s are 56x. Now open the bracket. So 12x minus 12 5s are 60 equal to 168 plus 56x. Now combine the like terms. X terms on one side, so 12x, this 56x comes here, so minus 56x equal to 168 minus 60. If we bring it to RHS, it will be plus 60. So this implies 12 minus 56, so it will be 44x equal to 228. So from here x will be 228 upon, this is minus 44, so minus 228 by 44. So x equal to, now 228 by 44, both are divisible by 4. This is 11 4s are, this is 57 into 4. So the final answer is minus 57 by 11. So I hope you understood the question. So first multiply both sides by 7. So we will get this. Open the bracket, combine the like terms, means all the variables on one side, numbers on one side, and then solve it. and take care of the signs when you are solving. Okay, so this is the answer. Next question, 3 by 4 into x minus 1 equal to x minus 3. Now this is similar to the previous question. We will first eliminate this 4. So multiply this equation by 4. So we have 3 into x minus 1 equal to 4 into x minus 3. So 4x minus 4 into 3, 12. So what we have done? We have multiplied this entire equation by 4. Now open the bracket. 3x minus 3 equal to 4x minus 12. So this becomes 3x, 4x comes here, minus 4x equal to, we have 12 here, minus 12, and this minus 3 comes this side, so it becomes plus 3. Now 3x minus 4x is minus x, minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9. Both sides, if we have minus sign, it will get cancelled. So x equal to 9 is the answer. Okay. Now the last question, x by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 2x by 5 minus 1. Now here we will find the LCM of the denominators. So in the denominators we have 2 and 5. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Now multiply the given equation by 10. So 10 into x by 2, it will be 5x. 10 into 3 by 2, it will be 15, because 10 into 3 by 2. So ये 10 by 2 5 हो जाएगा, 5 3s are 15, equal to 10 by 5 2, 2 into 2x 4x, minus 10 into 1 10. Okay, so we have multiplied each and every term by 10. Next, combine the like terms. 5x minus 4x equal to minus 10. So minus 10, and this is minus 15. Now 5x minus 4x x equal to minus 25. So x equal to minus 25 is the solution of this linear equation. So practice these questions. If you have not understood any question, do let me know in the comment section. That's all in this video. See you in the next video.